Hi, what's poppin' Ro gang? Welcome back to another video. So today we have the MacBook Pro with Touch Bar model on our desk. So let's unbox it and see does it have any juice. So I got this package from Amazon just now, which I ordered 2 days earlier. So I'm pretty excited about opening it up. So as I told you earlier also, this is the Touch Bar model and it also has a fingerprint sensor, but the fingerprint sensor is not functional when we shut down the PC and then turn it on, but we can use it for like the settings in our laptop, or when we lock the laptop and then open it up, then the touch id is functional. So without any further ado, let's unbox the package and see what's inside. So just after opening the box, I can see some bills on it and also see another compartment in the box. So let me just take it out and break open its seal. And I think the box of the MacBook Pro will be in it. And yeah, there we see the MacBook box is in it. So let me just take it out and yeah, there I go. So this box, it's really good, like that's what we expect from Apple. And on the top of the box there's printed an Apple MacBook Pro itself with the touch bar, emphasizing the touch bar with some colors on it. And also it's showing two Thunderbolt ports on the left side. On the right side of the box there's written MacBook Pro, and on the back there are some specifications like 13.3 inches, etc. Also, there's written the MRP of the laptop, which is around 1,72,900 Indian rupees, which is equivalent to $2,600 approximately. So now let's get inside the box by breaking open its seal. So there you see I'm breaking its seal, and yeah. So here I removed the plastic cover, and I think I have to remove the upper cover also. Gravity, please help me. And there we can see the Apple MacBook Pro. So now let's take it out of the box, and I think I have to remove this seal, so let me just remove it. And yeah, so here we took the apple out of the seal. So let me just keep it aside for a moment and see what's another things kept inside the box. Firstly, I can see a charging cable, which is a USB-C to USB-C type cable. Then I can see some literature, so let me just open it and show it to you. And yeah, so firstly we get some of the Apple stickers, then some warranty guides and a user guide of the MacBook Pro. So let me just keep them aside and see the another things. So we get a power brick for the laptop, and with it we also get a adapter according to our country, so we can just plug it over like this. So that was all in the box. So now let's take a look on the MacBook itself. So looking at the MacBook, it's really well built and has a metal finish on it, which makes it really rugged. Opening the lid this time automatically boots up the laptop. So as you can see, as soon as I have opened the laptop, it started booting, and the boot time is really very less. As you can see, it's on the password screen in less than 3 or 4 seconds. But as soon as we just type in the password and hit enter, it takes around 10 to 15 seconds to go inside the screen. Coming to another good feature of this laptop is the touch bar, as it's really helpful sometimes. We can customize the look of the touch bar in the settings. You might be wondering that where are the function keys, but as soon as we click the function key on the laptop, it converts the touch bar into the function keys. So as it has a touch bar, it also has the fingerprint sensor. So as I told you earlier also that it does not work if we shut down the laptop. So let me just sleep my laptop and then wake it up and then show you that how it works. So as you can see, it's blazing fast. So as soon as I kept my finger, it opened. So coming to the keyboard, it's powered by second generation butterfly technology with a very good backlight on it. Also, the typing experience is very good, but it's really loud. The screen of the laptop is really bright and crystal clear. On the left side of the MacBook, there are two Thunderbolt ports, or we can say USB-C type ports, whereas on the right also there are two ports but with an extra headphone jack. Coming to the trackpad, it feels very good and is very large in size. The length of the trackpad can be compared to an iPhone 8 kept in landscape mode. Coming to the specification, it has a 13.3-inch display, 2.9 GHz i5 processor, 8 GB of RAM, 512 GB of SSD storage, and Intel Iris graphics. The reason that why people want to buy an Apple MacBook is because some of the softwares are not available on Windows. Like if one wants to do video editing, then the Final Cut Pro, which is a very good software, is only available on MacBook. Also, the software which is Xcode, which is used for programming Apple iOS softwares, is only available on MacBook. So I personally just bought it for this reason. So that was pretty much all about the MacBook Pro, and I think you liked the video. If you like, do like, subscribe and share this video, and don't forget to press the notification bell so as to get notified about our next videos. Thanks for watching. This is Raghav signing off from Rogan Vlogs.